Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix unable to complete your touch ID on your iPhone. So let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, reboot your iPhone. Press the home and power button at the same time. Wait for a few seconds. Release the button. Type the passcode and we try now. Open setting. Scroll down. Type on accessibilities. Scroll down and type on home button. Here is the reset finger to open. Turn it on, go back and try now. As you can see, it has been turned on, and now add fingerprint. So lock your phone and try to unlock. As you can see, it's asking for a password. Now give your fingerprint. It has been unlocked. Thanks for watching.